snow, ice, wind, rain, and much more. Are you ready?
Weather can change in a moment, sometimes 4 seasons in a day. Now more than ever, it is critical that you're prepared for a storm. Here's what you need to know.
The best way to be a great neighbor is make sure yourself and your neighbors are prepared. Your gutters are clean, vehicles are in good working order. Also trim your trees.
Your emergency kit is your lifeline. Non-perishable foods, prescription medication, personal hygiene supplies, batteries, flashlight, and make sure that you accommodate for all your family members.
Make sure you can identify where you could access reliable information. Try to identify those evacuation routes prior to an emergency.
Every customer matters. We do our best to get our customers back as fast as we can, but people shouldn't have a plan until we can get the lights back on.
This is an important message brought to you by the Town of Hamden, the Hamden Fire Department, WTNH, and the Connecticut Career Fire Chiefs.
Every move can save lives.